So in this demo, I'm going to give you an overview of how the time and attendance feature in Philly HR works. So let me log in as an employee here by clicking uh, the Get Started button. And then once I log in, I'll show you how to clock in and clock out and how to document what you've done. So we're going to click sign in here since I'm not creating an account. And I'm going to choose to sign in as an employee. And then I need to enter my username and password. So when the HR creates an employee on the HR dashboard, they add the employee's email. So whatever email they added when they created your employee account is what you use to log in here. And so, yeah, I'm going to log in with my email that was used to create my account and then my password. So there's a default password of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But you have to change it after you log in the first time. So I've changed mine. So I'm going to log in with my actual password here. Okay, so hopefully I didn't mistype that. But once I type in the correct password, it logs me in here. And so it says I'm currently away because I haven't clocked in yet. So if I go to type in attendance here, I can click clock in here, and then it starts showing that I clocked in at this time. And so, yeah, once I clock in, I can always come back and clock out at the end of the day. If I want to add any notes here, like here, I haven't added a note for yesterday. So I can come here and met with project teams to review progress. So I just put a note on what I did yesterday here. And once I put that note, I can save it. So my computer is, my screen is frozen briefly. So Meta project teams to review progress. And then I click save note. So now for yesterday, if I come here, I cannot add the note. I can only edit it because I already added a note. I can edit it or I can click view. And I can also edit the overtime. So I don't have any overtime hours, but if I did work overtime, I can click here and put in something like maybe 2 hours of overtime is what I did. And yeah, so if I did 2 hours of overtime, I can I can I can submit that, and yeah, overtime hours updated successfully. So if a company has an overtime approved overtime for any employee, the employee can edit and I'll add the overtime. So I've already added, so I can edit it after that, submit it after editing. So I didn't make any change, so it's still there. Yeah, but okay, so these pending statuses, the HR has to confirm that the hours are correct, and if they do, the status will change. So it's the only thing pending because HR hasn't approved these yet, and this hours says pending because I just clocked in, but the rest that I clocked out already, you can see they've been updated. So that's the time and attendance uh module and how it works. Um, so you can also do a preview of let's see here, of your attendance record. So today's work, I just logged in here, so this is the preview. But you can see the days that I logged in. I see a preview of that here. Okay, so you can preview your attendance record. You can do a request for leave from here. But I'm not gonna do that. I already actually did one previously. So you just enter start date, end date, whatever the type of leave is, brief explanation, any attachments, and then you submit. So the HR received this and they'll have to approve it. So there's the time and attendance module. There's also the performance module. So I'll do a separate video to go over the performance module and the different dashboards and other videos on task, payroll, events, and the issue tracker here. So stay tuned because there's a lot to go over. And so I will go over those other ones in a separate video when I get to it. But this should give you a start on login time and attendance.